Hey everyone. Hope you're doing well. I'm Henry. In this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about Buen before you buy it. I've got some important warnings for you, so make sure to watch this video all the way through to avoid wasting your money. First and foremost, be cautious about where you purchase Buen. It's only available on the official website. To help you out, I've included the official website link in the video description and in the first comment below. I'm here in the corner of your screen to give you my review and share my experience with Buen to help you decide if it really works. What is Buen? Buen is made from natural ingredients, making it a non-GMO dietary supplement free from additives and harmful chemicals. It's produced in an FDA-certified facility that follows strict good manufacturing practices, ensuring both its efficacy and safety. This review provides a comparative analysis of Buen with other similar products, highlighting its research-backed benefits and offering an unbiased assessment. With this information, you can decide if Buen is the best natural weight loss solution for you. How does Buen work? Buen promotes weight loss by enhancing metabolism, boosting energy levels, and targeting stubborn fat. These actions are essential for effective weight management. A higher metabolism and increased energy levels help burn fat more efficiently, leading to a leaner body and reducing the risk of obesity-related health issues like diabetes and heart disease. With potent weight loss ingredients such as green coffee bean extract, green tea leaf extract, chromium, L-theanine, and L-carnitine, Buen supports your weight loss goals while improving overall health and immunity. L-theanine, known for its mood-enhancing properties, reduces stress and anxiety, helping mitigate health risks associated with chronic stress, as noted in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine. Buen benefits: aids in weight loss, speeds up metabolism, easy to use, 60-day money-back guarantee. Buen dosage. Buen is a powdered supplement that can be mixed with coffee, tea, or any other beverage, hot or cold. As directed by the manufacturer, dissolve 1 packet of Buen in hot water and drink it every morning. You can have it daily, with or without food. 1 sachet per day is the recommended dosage to receive all the benefits. Buen final verdict. Buen has received positive reviews from many satisfied customers who have experienced significant weight loss and increased stamina with regular use. The product offers various pricing options, discounts for repeat purchases, and a 60-day money-back guarantee to ensure customer satisfaction. This weight loss formula comes in a flavorless, colorless powder that can be easily mixed with any beverage. Containing amino acids and natural plant extracts, it boosts energy and metabolism while curbing hunger. While Buen is generally safe with no reported side effects, it's wise to consult a doctor before using it, especially if you have any health concerns. For the best results, consistently follow the dosage guidelines. Conclusion. That's it for my review of Buen. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to check the link in the description for the official website. Thanks for watching.